Good morning. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my small space indoor garden. It's Primrose here, and we have another beautiful sunny day. We have blue skies, and I hope you're all doing well. I have a flu. I've been sick for 3 days, but I'm feeling a lot better today. And today I wanted to share my large Monstera Deliciosa over here, and this winter it's been doing really well for me. So that's a new leaf. It's very large, and compared to the old leaves it's looking a bit pale, which is normal, I think. And that's another new leaf as well, and that's from a different plant. I have about 4 in this one pot, so that's a relatively young plant, and it only has single incision on that leaf. And look at that, I have another one coming out from that another plant over there. So yeah, that's I have 4. And so I thought I wanted to share my care and maintenance of this plant. And but before we get into that topic, let me just show you this one over here. So this is a younger version of that plant, and I hear some people asking and wondering why their monstera do not have that incisions on the leaves. And I wanted to say that a young plant will not develop that incisions until it gets to the maturity period. And so these are mature leaves already. And so I wanted to apologize for that ugly looking moss pole over there. It's not an actual moss. It looks like a coconut husk actually. The material is very rough and it could not absorb water. So a while ago I improvised by putting a real moss into it, and then I sprayed water every day, and then after some time I gave up. I just wanted to simplify things, and I changed my mind. I decided I wanted to take it down because it doesn't look nice. But then when I checked, some of these aerial roots hooked themselves already into that moss, and I do not want to break them. So I think I will just let them. Uh, I'll just leave it like that. And so I wanted to talk about the lighting situation. It's currently near my west-facing window, and it's not even right in front of the window. It's being pushed back into that side, which means that on a very sunny day like today, it's getting a bright indirect light until in late afternoon, just before the sun sets. A direct light hits this spot here for about 10 minutes, not long. And on a rainy, cloudy day, the lighting situation in this area, it gets a low light. And so far it's doing well because it's been putting out a lot of growth for me in the winter time. And I wanted to talk about feeding. So the whole winter it's not getting any fertilizing at all. But in summertime, I give it a all-purpose fertilizer every second watering, which means the first watering will just be plain water to flush out the mineral buildup from the soil, from the base. And then the second watering, that's when I give it my the fertilizer, a well diluted all-purpose fertilizer I am using. And then of course, since it is a large leaf plant, it could benefit from a regular dusting. And talking about propagation, I did not come to that part yet. As you can see, this plant has a very long leaf stalk, and if I just let it do their own thing, it's gonna grow outwards, and I do not have space for that, so that's why I use garden twine to train the plant onto the moss pole. And then I'm not in a hurry to propagate this plant anytime soon, because if you can see, I still have that space up there. So I think I will let this space filled up first. And anyway, it's growing upwards, so even if it grows more leaves, it's gonna put out a lot more growth. I think I will be fine. The space is sufficient enough for this big plant at the moment. So I could not really discuss about propagation method yet, because I have not done it yet for this plant. And then yeah, I think that's about it. For me, it's a fast growing plant, and it's very easy to keep indoors. And so far I did not get any problems with this plant, no infestations, and I hope it stays that way. And so luckily, these large leaves covers that ugly inventions of mine a little bit. And so I think that's just about it. And I thank you so much for watching, and take care. And for my 4 new subscribers, thank you so much for being here. And I hope you enjoy growing plants as much as I do. Take care. Bye.